Welcome to YouTube channel, Progressive Education. Today I'm gonna to discuss about basic lab equipment. In this video we will learn about basic apparatus used in laboratory. Beaker, used in labs for general liquid handling and storage. Have various sizes, are made of glass or plastic, and have volume markings, sometime used to heat chemicals or solutions. Flask, a conical shaped with a narrow neck and flat bottom. Ideal for mixing and heating liquids while minimizing splashing. Test tubes, are widely used by chemists to hold, mix, or heat small quantities of solid or liquid chemicals, especially for qualitative experiments. Glass funnel, used to pour liquids into small-mouthed containers, used with filter paper to filter sediments from liquid. Graduated measuring cylinder, measure the volume of liquids, chemicals or solutions. More accurate than beaker, comes in different sizes. Pipettes, used for precise measurement, or transfer small quantities of liquid, in volumes of milliliter or microliter. China dish, also known as evaporating dish. Porcelain dish available in various sizes. Used for boiling, evaporating solutions and crystallization of salts. Mortar and pestles, used to crush up solid chemicals into fine powder. Tripod stand, wire guaze, alcoholic burner, all these are set up like this to heat a solution or chemicals in beaker, test tube or flask, etc. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Press the bell icon to get notification about updated videos.